This video, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from NordVPN app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications or alerts from this VPN app, then let me show you how you can put an end or a permanent stop to this. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get started, you need to go ahead and access the app info page for us to stop these notifications. To do that, go to settings on your smartphone. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm on an Android smartphone. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. Now under settings, choose apps. And from apps, go to manage apps or all apps. Now this will go ahead and list all the apps you have on your smartphone. And from the list, go ahead and scroll down until you find your app. And as you can see, my NordVPN app is here. Alternatively, you can just use the search option up here to search for your app. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see, I'm on the app info page. However, if you can't access this app info page, then let me show you a shortcut method to get here. For that, just go back and look for your app. And once you have found it, just long press on it. And you'll see we have app info. Go ahead and tap on it. It will take you to the same app info page. At this point, look for the section called permissions, and under permissions, go to notifications here. You can see all these notifications are on. That's why you are receiving those pop-up notifications. To turn them off permanently instead of turning off one by one here, just go ahead and toggle off this option, show notifications. From now henceforth, all notifications will be turned off permanently unless you go ahead and turn this on again. So that's how you can stop or turn off NordVPN pop-up notifications or alerts on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.